Chris Carson. I'm an OEM Sales Manager, or one of the OEM Sales Managers. I've been at TFT going back to 1996, where I served as an indirect employee, and joined TFT in 2016 as a direct employee. I'll work with the major fire truck manufacturers assigned to me to make sure that our products, such as the Flex Monitor, are integrated into their sales configurators, and then I will work with our territory managers to support their dealer networks in the selection process of our products as part of new truck builds. I kind of grew up in the fire service. When I was 10, we moved to North Carolina because my stepfather worked at a fire hose manufacturer, and I spent many of afternoons and weekends at the fire hose factory, and landed in this industry in 1996, and I've been here ever since. Kind of grew up in it. The sacrifice that the outside sales team individuals make on a regular basis. They spend days away from their families. They sometimes miss birthdays, they miss certain events. I don't know if that's always recognized. Probably the ability to be involved in the development of products, seeing the genuine effort that goes into quality and reliability, and then to see those products in use by first responders. I'm really excited in the short term, the inclusion of Flex in the apparatus manufacturers' configurators. I'm really looking forward to beginning to see these show up on new apparatus. We just recently got one of our first orders from a fire truck manufacturer. They'll ship out in January, and they'll go on a ladder and a platform. I'm really looking forward to seeing that.